onlyBBguns video review channel. Today we're going to be looking at the M92, which is a spring action pistol. As you can see, it's unopened, so let me get my little friend laid out. Just cut that. Okay. Okay. In the box you get a pistol, full ABS. Obviously the spring and parts holding it together, screws and all that, are metal. Full plastic mag. This is a 1:1 scale with cocking and all that. You don't get any BBs with it, which is good because they're usually poor quality. Now this gun has a few features, i.e. safety and everything, but simple. So it's actually, yeah, that is 1:1 scale. Yeah, not bad. Nice feel to it, quite lightweight. As I said, it's a spring pistol. It's not gas, electric or any of that fancy stuff. It's just a basic spring pistol, budget line, back garden, target practice, kids playing. So magazine, to load it, very simple. Pull down the tab at the front and you've got the opening at the top. And it's just literally fill them up. Now, yes, I'm using a speed loader because it's easier for me. Speed loaders are available on our website. I'm sure we'll tag a link in on the bottom of this video for it, as well as a link for the gun. Now, so that's the magazine filled anyway, by the way. On the gun, you have safety feature on the side here, which clicks down, that bit there. So push that bit up, safety's on, no trigger action. Push it down, you've got trigger action. Hammer can be cocked back like that, just for show, unloaded. Each time you can just do that, or you can obviously pull the top slide back, release, and then it does the piston job. Not a bad feel to it. I believe the gun can be taken apart, but I wouldn't recommend it for the fact of it voids your warranty, unlike some people have found out. So the magazine just pushes in, and it's just simply shoot. Simple as that. Spring action pistol, can't go wrong. We've actually had certain people doing filming, and they've bought these, and they've obviously coloured them up and everything, but they've used them as props in films. We've had people use them as self-defense weapons for training and everything, not obviously defending themselves, but self-defense imitation, so they can practice with how to disarm people with guns and all that. Ideal showpieces and everything like that. But that's that one. The FPS on it, I believe, is 250. Not bad.